na mo na akwaba e de ba touchline sports so e wo Ashtown TV
mimi ndebia e bon 9 e kopim 10
ebe kwa amonane ebe hwa amonane nsem ahodio so ye de bebremo obefie nso a ebe ma wo efie nsem ahodio transfers e koso we e kwa ha we kwa e na bebremo
me did the Thomas Clever always my friend Thomas touchline sports no asugusu no touchline sports papa
share me ma beje phone na e wo Ashtown TV e wo Facebook YouTube and Instagram so e wo Ashtown TV e the sports papa and e bremo e wo jumedi so. Okay, I am now kwaba once again bi ediba touchline sports so e wa Ashtown TV. Emra sa so say dia good dem nsem e de ebremo. Se ne de bia edisi e no amana ne nsem ahodo na fieses ansem ahodo a ya boabo ni na say good dem nsem e ne de ebremo. Ya tunu de touchline sports so momo renfi say e ya Ashtown TV o Facebook YouTube or Ashtown TV. E pacho benya sa adwumedi na ahwe e live. Pacho fa phone now. Oko e Facebook search engine na obo Ashtown TV na pacho be yaba no click so no like wa share na amafo so enye bia hwe same thing so o YouTube so o for YouTube oko search engine na no for Ashtown TV pacho so ra click so no share no ma obia so enye bia hwe touchline sports ene de ebram djubedi so mi amide djumedi o chama no ye frame Alonso Dal obati ye nua Philip so nka obati ye nua Samson so ka and de nua be me first Thomas e pacho we tia ne chika kra okoye ne 1212 bente Thomas entimi embe kayensa sa djumedi e de ebram nkofo bi adaroma ana maboabo nsɛm no a de ebrem odwumede so ye beda ye nua fensa baje ase ono ene boabo nwuma no cameraman ni na ono ana eboa ye nua fensa Isaac ana so obude so etaiche na executive producer no so ye master India ono na achọchọ bi egu nkrata so atintin fide ni na ende so abetena anim se ye de agudie mu nsɛm atun di touchline sponsor ye de ebrem odwumede so our Ashtown TV so e ma wo renfi our Ashtown TV Facebook YouTube obenya sa adwumede bi so ahwe so e ma me be phone so akwaba na minti omuso ka fele boko de
boko Alonso
na hu asai
oh aiku ba mi aka sambe hu amani aje pa amani aje
Samson boko de
boko boss boko
na do hu mi do be me say
oh fine say adwuma no de sa
ono see Chelsea fan
Chelsea for me ensa na ba be
never adwuma ya dia prepare scapus como de enti be adwuma
na de Samson sembe na de be hu no wani sembe na de
se ene de akwe FA Cup finals na ena uko Italy nso so a ene na league no nso so ekwa wie enti no ye be hwe league no ni ahwe FA Cup no nso so ne be si akọ
Philip Ozwe
FA Cup na ni be hwe ni ahwe transfer Chelsea transfer o maye about harvest ne kimzia Timo Werner mo e be hwehwem said yes ko ni amankofo ahu details e course said e be ya mo so be hu de e course o Chelsea team na say FA Cup e ba so yo be hu ne ma e ko nti na e be mo mu nyina
na say you busawa first of all two coaches Lampard and Arteta onso mo shedan G trophy biada omo mienu one pressure on so Samson
pressure no de one so de me think say Lampard na pressure de e one so
okay
because over Chelsea team na senior team ni sitie no o ye coach na balance one team anyi bibia pressure ne ba so more than Arsenal team no
o de me fani number because o fani number be Philip omo me one pressure no e wo mo so Lampard Arteta
oh like omo nyina answer omo first season omo coach team na ngasa ni ana obia first season omo so da be so team nti obia enyi trophy fizo bia bae na make us the pressure one so Lampard said the menu ya kan Chelsea a big team and Arsenal is a big team na they went me any league and as went me any cup no na so bet my ship Lampard because met me apam no me cat at the ono mu Arsenal the me fans no ma but mu pam no say
Fabita ha oba local stores and the be local stores pa because in same ofi memory say referred or say Kokupama or the GF for no call cast sanka omo corner cars for India send mananka omo san to aban foforo na cars dey asem ko see 4th August na cars for bet na asem so na GM me run me yan tie say GF for e ma na adwuma sanka ombra na ko be adwuma enso GF na reporter mate say wase wa reject say offer no intenu se be hwe ho sempa say wa reject offer no na ko bi sanka ko je offer no 2 man na nka bibia so atwa but o say Palmer I reject offer say there on the or check cars na me adma 4th August eye busume yesimi ya 4th August or check eye na me adma Tuesday into check cars na say wo hu de ebe control no position there with GF no so e be share Ghana players no so a transfers no last week be share Mohamed Salisu a Saddam Tifo so assign no he say me nyante say entire lines for so defenders so na contract bi so abochiri the whole same beba Ghana players bi bi ko Jordan Ayew so okoso as city oma vote no player of the season and so ye be hwe ho same Jordan Ayew deserve because this is why ejuma pa Premier League in ko 9 goals and the ma Crystal Palace o share Crystal Palace players e honum bi te say refer Zaha mu na ho na Jordan Ayew it's me the player of the season ye sure say Samson any Philip and so be we and send him so e my na what you twem se na ke nanim se kotoko so e ba appointed new CEO eye na ya appoinsa ye hu bibisa ye hwe se na me adom this week and say esimu no e be na sa official confirmation so e da ba but nsem ne doso memo we say nsem ne doso sa adwumedi ye stream live YouTube and Facebook Ashtown TV YouTube and Facebook Ashtown TV a friend Touchline Sports memen de bia and upon on chrome I come say no do boy this adwumedi so e bebremo ye be kwa man nyaba ebe kwa amanya benya hwe nsema edimu akotene Samson kaze amanya ebe kwa ba na me aduma transfers no ize ka Havertz no so ne boy ayede ize na report say Chelsea for ne kasaba ize ne boy ayede
but one thing is on say ka Havertz no di ne transfer no di akwakoye no I say Chelsea nkwani team a pesu say obefa ka Havertz enti no we say transfer dey betima go through there but omo pese Leverkusen for ne pese omo delay kakra because of Europa League na ombe bono ntino omo zo omo delay na nkomo wait say nkomo betimi de ka have it dey abo Europa League round of 16 but Chelsea for so pese omo pressure na omo timi ye omo silly din intem say no omo ye Hakim Ziyech ni team over na de no omo be omo silly din intem asa akwa say player no ne contract be 2025 ntino wo team na akwa pe no uni say wo msa ate say team na ono anka say any mother crap
mate ubewrem dia maye memory so betimi de comment na ba oba ye be kan bibia so e wo harem say dia ma comment so de ba ye be kan bibia so e de ma Touchline Sports so e wo Ashtown TV I dey sa adwumedi so Ebrem Ojubedin so Facebook YouTube obenya bibia so ahwe yen kwa amane fan send do na so Ebrem abroad the home of foreign sports matnasia medilators ni na so Ebrem Ojubedin so ba cha me shan sam na se fa Italian Serie A no ba cha ko Italy ba cha na me ade ba nde enye ochina ye bo Italian Serie A no match ni na we match day 38 and ye bo Italian Serie A no ni na so from patcho say ene beti akọ and the Brescia and so ene Sampdoria and so about time so Atalanta and so ene Inter Milan Juventus mpachoma the league ndada omo any AS Roma we a big game but ni na say Juventus etimi adi league ndada ntiwe and so any game kese bia so until Juventus bet na fie omo ni AS Roma na omo so adi atentam so AC Milan inform AC Milan omo and so any Cagliari and so ebebo any Napoli and so any Lazio and so ebet in terms so one match winner e bas na me admen de me de consent no and so ebem ojbe so ko na me admen na Italians ano e ba match do so betimi akoso Spa and so any Fiorentina and so Bologna and so any Torino, Genoa, and so any Hellas Verona, Lecce, and so any Parma, Sassuolo, and so any Udinese, and so everything in terms so as Italians you are now. Me di hon send so Ebremo, Juventus ko table na me patcho say, and the Juventus me patcho ma di league that omo 83 points, and so Inter Milan, and so etosum yunum omo 79 points, Atlanta etosum so omo 78 points, Lazio etosum 9 omo 78 points, Roma etosum omo 67 points, the tosin AC Milan omo 63 points and Napoli and so etoson omo 59 points and so me patcho team yes me patcho omo relegation me patcho say any city Lecce etoso do what omo 35 points the etoso do crew and so Brescia omo 24 points Spa and so any Chatokra omo so 20 points me de hon sem no so Ebrem Ojbedo so go so ya de amane sem Ebrem patcho ko top scorers na say in the city Ciro Immobile was shot 35 goals na Ronaldo show him say Kombia so oba be first ever player obaji goal king and so England obaji goal king and so Spain no san so aji goal king and so Italy because one more referee say last season player first Quandarella enso adi goal kene edi fi Ronaldo sem ana this season so player first Ciro Immobile enso adi goal kene so edi fi Ronaldo sem pacho goal kene e fe ne Capo Canonier player first Ciro Immobile wa 35 goals Ronaldo enso ashe 31 goals into Ronaldo ehia 4 goals na wa chi player first Ciro Immobile ana so she 5 goals na Ciro Immobile enso entimi ashe go na Ronaldo enso aje Capo Canonier no enso edi esi ni na so de to so nsa eye player first Romelu Menama Lukaku she eye 23 goals enso Francesco Caputo enso ashe 21 goals and a player first Duvan Zapata enso ashe 18 goals enso me pacho me de ho sem Bremo Juventus abroad the home of foreign sports metasia me di latest na enso Bremo Juventus so me pacho ko pem so England and then ana English FA Cup no me pacho grand finale no enso enso Wembley Sports Stadium Arsenal enso any Chelsea bobo ko enso any bet in terms enso on coach first Frank Lampard and so Mikel Arteta and now go corner me admin the 4:30 and the game so Airbus the but remember say Arteta and so the FA Cup no Jimionu and so my Arsenal Premier player and so my Arsenal and Frank Lampard so 4 and that's 4 and so my Chelsea Abrana Oyo coach and that's a player and so my Chelsea Bobo Kono into and there's a Lampard here about first player first coach waji FA Cup no and so other match next waji trophy dikan and so any carry mu na Arteta so dia also add the first trophy and so when the carry mu tebesha who wins English FA Cup no you may realize Samson and Philip e be we rasa in 7 years so and so at the may return the 4:30 p.m. and a big game and so and so Wembley Sports Stadium Arsenal and so any Chelsea Bobo no at the Athens where 139th FA Cup final the patch Ebaso 139th FA Cup final the patch Ebaso Arsenal and na yetima the patch amako final do pa omo akoye 21 finals Man United etosumienu omo so akoye 20 finals Chelsea etosumiensa omo so akoye 14 finals me de ho sem so ebem Jumede so FA Cup no ye be ram FA Cup no mo ensem so e wo hoduma ba cho me de bi so ebem Jumede so Frank Lampard coach and Manchester but waka ho sem bebe and Mikel Arteta and so coach and so de Arsenal me patch waka ho sem bebe ba patch ye de ho sem so be Samson and so any Philip me by microphone no me wura FA Cup me wia na me de foreign news no and so attract so Edmund Samson me ensha say free na me admin the FA Cup eba so 4:30 Chelsea and so na ask the Wembley but ye ensha je worker and so honum
FA Cup the oldest competition we are say FA Cup you born in England so we FA Cup na leagues in 10 oko England leagues in 10 over here England can say EPL no ombobi championship for Zubobi League 1 League 2 sa no bobi nti you started bofli emblem you started bofli England omo you can say smaller can say leagues no on you started bofli now we here FA Cup here you started no 1877 and you started FA Cup 1877 78 can say and you started ball FA Cup no but ohwemu yenya team bia o free oye onye FA can say onye English team onye bie ye wo team is say Cardiff City omunye English club there omu so mo bo England
okay
omu league nim there and I say championship but omunye English club omu free Wolves e ho no mu base omu kwani team omunye English base you can say cap omade omu kwani team omaji side e cap ni bi and our parents so e wo Queen's Park Rangers omu so e wo e base wo Scotland omu so akọ finance 2
okay
and this obesha e wo mu say English FA Cup there but your teams bi wo ma omu free England so no dey omaji bi ama bi mu so dey akọ finance FA Cup bi mu so no record wo mu say obehwem a player friend no say Henry Cottham no sinaka de ma Blackburn Rovers only player what she goes bundudo pa as I am for header enim ni sa but in 1877 or starting bubble from 1877 and we no 91 only player what me she goes do pa na we ni goals na enye say na a freak because in 44 appearances otimi ma 49 goals na je say every match bia no one she go kra na nya 1.1 ndi na no body mbo ekoso ye pa wo FA Cup ni now say ba be team a wa share FA Cup dodo pa ye bobo ye hwe FA Cup na history na be bobo Man U Arsenal no Chelsea Liverpool no but ye wo team kitwa bi ye friend no Kettering Town
okay
omusu na wo ye kan say team a wo team a share FA Cup dodo pa e na ground no say team no ground no ubo ndi ground obi anya de enim omutu team share 189 matches 9 goals ene team share into no FA Cup ne de histories bebre na na dey ene e wo honum because of say ye oldest e can say competition e wo wiase no now to the match itself no ene Chelsea ne Arsenal wo hwe FA Cup ya omo match ne dodo pa no Arsenal what me age 13 times Manchester United age 12 Chelsea a oni Arsenal we bonzo so age 18 and Tottenham so age 18 then Liverpool Tottenham so age 8 sorry Tottenham so age 8 no abanzo Liverpool age 6 Aston Villa and so age 6 and Manchester City so age 6 in this obesha Arsenal nya wa e kan say enya cup no they are trim because Manchester United etimi ba ko a one na ba be dey aba be pe Chelsea nso hinya say ono nso betima close gap between Manchester United and Arsenal a omo na age dodo pa no enti no o hwe ne match na nkase mu na say o hwe match na nkase mu a this season e o mu say o hwe o di league table na e base wo argument ya Chelsea wo form esene Arsenal league ni mu Chelsea Arsenal one no ye de on board runs so dey back it is how compare Chelsea or form sine Arsenal on the paper no again league table na ye ball league ni wie ye no Chelsea etimi qualify for Champions League am to so for Arsenal nu ba bia odi 8th and on the lowest year Arsenal etimi dey edi but match na angasa muni dey through FA Cup a na say Arsenal bobia you can count on Arsenal say obeti my day IBB on the road to final Arsenal go share Man City no bia nim say Man City there oni Arsenal ba be bobo a because now share Man City ni Arsenal abla ni e ba omo ba be bo semi final na o hwe Man City ni Arsenal omo nhye mo omo hia no na Man City an hye go kura na nye 3 ekwe 3-1 3-2 4-5 ni ho any score lines na na dey e ba in favor of Manchester City but because of say FA Cup ni ti no na Man City any clouds ewo e te chen Arsenal Man City FA Cup o go share Arsenal enya say bia e league ana say other tournament no e na abeka say bia Man City ewo ahead so be share Arsenal but because of say FA Cup ni ti no o mu se sa match no Arsenal mobo bia Man City na dominating ball na but because of Arsenal pedigree war FA Cup nimdi no omutimi ye dey etimi Man City Ephraim ela obehe Arsenal so ne sane Chelsea meetings ewo champion can say FA Cup na ya na nkoye enfama Chelsea intine nei no ye behe eyeta two coaches Frank Lampard and Mikel Arteta say emu ba ko betima dey age ne first major trophy as a manager say o form as a player there Lampard is ahead of Mikel Arteta because Lampard timije 4 and Arteta nso dey eje 3 eje 2 say o hwe two coaches yimie no ene omo beko omo drum wo fa na ene omo be si akan na o hwe omo managerial career na obeka say Lampard was so kakra dey esni Mikel Arteta because of say Lampard kunya experience e wo Derby County e wo championship nim eti omo qualify for the playoff Lampard have fa Chelsea or the Chelsea na start here season we say or the Chelsea na dey start here but Mikel Arteta na wo ye can say assistant coach e ma Pep Guardiola of Manchester City and on nso ada ba be there afa Arsenal boboko no nti say o compare two teams na I say Lampard e was so kakra esini Mikel Arteta because of say competitions are why they work home because we bought into a kind of Champions League so we bought Champions League crown pono enya de ketwa enti no ene matches ne de on paper the Chelsea ye dey favorite now to the match na ankasa no and it likely say Lampard bebo goalkeeper friend Uli Caballero now a pair Kedzuma any Antonio Rudiger na wabo Marcos Alonso any as recruiter you can say wings
back
so about 3 back ya sa no be no na either Zuma or Rudiger ba ko push the call you can say left back no
okay
na ababe omumienu either Rudiger anso ne Zuma ba ko push ko na ba ko ya the edge na middle na recruiter push ko anso push ko ono an ka say the right you can say position ho no ma no push Reece James amana ba ball left wing in on infimfiri ho no no ama Alonso so ya dey akwa ball right ho no so so no enti no wo hwa de wo se Chelsea ye now ba infim from so like we said they are best starting N'Golo Kante because of say why fit Lampard press conference no ma yet say Kante any Willian I fit because of say Willian nya no ko kakra bi nti no be hwe krampo na final match no final EPL match na against Wolverhampton no Willian ntimi anye dey amobi enti no say Kante ababak na Zuma so can say Willian so ababak ne de obebo Kante any ebia wa pair Jorginho and say Mateo Kovacic mu ba kwa dey aka no ho because Kante dey were constant figure a obebo so on play nkwa no wo no nkwa dey Lampard is can say certain 11 players on ba be say aka mada Kante obi a ode no beto no so ono ne constant figure ono so betima dey esi akan then wabo Messi Mount inform player ba kun so wo Chelsea as one thing is say Messi Mount no Chelsea for na fans na den huni so emfaso bia but so wo Chelsea team ni ma eya na emma team ni drive obehwe ne kan say ne forward passes any ni shooting ability na ya na eboa no FA Cup bi ma ansa na Chelsea emra fantasy against Manchester United shot or boy a ewumu say dija anya de bat goalkeepers bebre on ma betima dey ase omo enti modima akrowe elbow intino dey ya so ope N'Golo Kante any one other midfielder ba ko kan ho a dey Messi Mount na April on so be ode ne be kan so ne be obema Chelsea team no air drive so mo ko manima then waba be pair you can say this guy Giroud no abo will either Willian or Luftic or Pulisic. But one thing is a Pulisic na debi order or tabo. Into either Willian or Pulisic. Emu ba ko na ede ebebo. Na afi Giroud. O this season one thing is yesterday season no Olivier Giroud ni modi monye dey enso ani. Na Abraham na ede obo day in day out. But professionalism at Giroud at the match Chelsea intino. Say no ama say on na ba be the main figure. At the match Chelsea o ma attack no. Enti no Arsenal de so omo ye ne say say Arsenal mo defense ne de enye we go hwe defensive ability a David Luiz ekuta no tama no start tama wo Chelsea PSG na enye bi ni ene ode wa Arsenal no Mustafi so enkoye enti no e was Arsenal standing omo jeni say bia ti say omo ni City boy no omo nya ni say City de ono be dominate Pep Guardiola de ono ne style o de bae no say no amfa kura still na won sesa no Lampard de oni ne bonus emu ye din a obetima kwa City back ni bi ti say de oni Man City bon no ye de o City back no enti matching de o say ebe ye tin de on paper Chelsea is favorite say obetima ye de awe ne de but say ye FA Cup ne de Arsenal betima ye bibia bi o timi yi Man City free mu no krampo no enya de ye da
Arsenal so win am ko Europa League
Arsenal win o ko Europa League one thing so say one thing say you say obehwa last season na Arsenal play Europa League sa ko share Chelsea can say Europa League final no so na Arsenal person o win no dey or dey call Champions League Chelsea share 3-1 4-1 rather 4-1 am na mind dey am qualify and then so no this season so say biem or say po Europa League dey as akọ awasa akọ Chelsea enti no we match we say na Arsenal so no because of say Ben Lalo play no afa no back but me nya sure say former Martinez wo mu ni de Mikel Arteta bet drop Martinez ama Benleno ayade aba beda enti no Arsenal so likely formation likely you can say 11 na on best starting so bet my Benleno no abom Mustafi any David Lewis because of say David Lewis nya better you can say performance against Manchester City no ba be bo Bellerin any ida you can say Kolasinac na emfimfini ho no na Arsenal problem ne kakra e wo akire ho no obi obegina back four na anim ho no de obek the defense na dey amom enti no Granit Xhaka say or fitting kwade a obebo but the Chelsea so so hwe ni ye ni say Chelsea ko hwe team bia omo strikers no pace emni kan wo no ma aya no mo bre eno nso na ye asset of ye kan say Aubameyang Lacazette nso so asset nso so ne ba ko no Nicolas Pepe nso na asset ne saa ne ma ne bi enti yese Chelsea nso no ehunu se omo nso so akire ho no mo no emu ye din se omo bejeje omo ti se de omo ni Man City omo ni Manchester United boy na ebo na Abrante friend Marcus Rashford enya saa chance no saa counter attack ne dia Arsenal be show omo bebre because of say Chelsea omo defenders no speed no e wo form omo defending ability nso so ye dey e wo form
okay
enti no e wo say Lampard mo one thing as our match we say obi defense nye Chelsea defense e poor
Arsenal yes say ye ko league Arsenal consider 49 or 48 Chelsea consider 54
Denti e man nya ni say won o hwa on this season so no Arsenal pan so ni team o consider penalties bebre David Luiz nko consider almost 5 or 6 on it is a defender o cramba o nim say o defense no ono na wani dane so na so consider 5 penalties ya na just say o defense no problem ye dey ewo goals so I can say errors so I say lead to goals no so no David Luiz no so ye dey as I was saying nti wo mo say Chelsea dey defense ni nye dey but o hwa say Willy Caballero better Chelsea post ma e ana enkrache kakra dey ewo esene say kepa be dey ebeda nti no na me hwe nim senka Caballero be dey ebedam ahead of here kepa enti no e say Chelsea defense no
okay
omo ye dey omo jiri defense e kire on pampe so omo ye kire on pampe dia from middle ne ko animu ne dey Chelsea ahead of Arsenal
okay
we go be N'Golo Kante either Mateo Kovacic and can say Messi Montoya untimi van compare Arsenal midfielders no any one so no omo say Lacazette ye can say Aubameyang e she goals there but there Olivier Giroud any Christian Pulisic e dey amaye no obetima e dey wani ato omo dey no so ahead of Arsenal omo so e can say any more
one even ende
din there but slightly Chelsea ebetimi awene e omo say Arsenal FA Cup no omo ya ahead of obia owo England team pure owo England be ba as champion ye more FA Cup there you can count on Arsenal there but match we in particular there I will go for 2-1 for Chelsea.
2-1 win for Chelsea.
Yeah,
okay.
2-1 win for Chelsea. Chelsea beat me. I really 2-1.
And Samson Atayebo also 2-1 win for Chelsea. Philip. Boko Bill.
Boko.
Remember Chelsea Arsenal.
Without senior Konya de Mama Luso.
Okay.
Some chairman during Fidikasi so.
Okay.
The back fan when say Chelsea and Arsenal match. FA Cup a big match there. A big match. As will be any say. Chelsea a big team in Arsenal big team no a Kasafa match you na Ashtown TV we share now say like said the bear among phones be the story ni be ati mo munim nyina me dey o be hu be dey ati na make to me say so na me hwe performance about Arsenal and Chelsea the two coaches we share Lampard we coach ya and I say we player we ba Chelsea I win trophies bebre. If I say Chelsea trophies or maybe you can maybe 4 times Chelsea win in our account. Let me say 2007, 2009, 2010, and 2012 Champions League now can be. It's when you quite fast with a bubble a winning champion as a trophy at the money team. And in the match say and as a fan I be say Pierre, I don't make a tetans or also about be the Arsenal where Arsenal would hold prayer. Until when you quite fast about or winning to can a trophy the Arsenal. So we win here for 2014, 2015 at the Arsenal. It's you know, when you know who quite fast with the winning trophy at my team. And no former teams no say the coach. It's about performance that omunyina mu performance but I Lampard was sene I can't say make because we're winning more trophies the SNM and as about team no so am coach na a big team there ana Chelsea is a big team but we hear Lampard coach make I can't say Derby County from championship and odo qualify into who say the coaching here the city and odo fight Chelsea e be fight Chelsea na performance na Chelsea na nye but buy no obe fight young players no hwe Messi Mount Tammy Abraham Hassan Odoi mo odo start here but the mpanimfo na tantanche no be fight young player because no young player and I say no what into try young players instead of here almost bit my perform and I say mo timbe bobo akomen but odo mu didi mu ebo matches ni bia Premier League e de ombo bebre na wo hwe Chelsea team na ankasa problem e wom no ye defense wo and a goalkeeping so Lampard buy no em say e wom de okoto emokoto kapa e ba da de part kapa na ankasa defenders na nyenti capers no omumwa bo bia bia na defenders na nyenti na bia e dey atom wan hwe beka si de bia no problem ni goalkeeper but defense na enye no we coach no mu ani na ho a we dey be mistake de bia inti still na we so aye dey o hwim anase league wa manager ama league ye dey abawie ama FA Cup ye wo me ye sha se ne dose team bebre Man City Liverpool mu nyina no mu but mo bwa bedrum pempen so a
but
Arsenal o hwe Arsenal say Arsenal performance anu wo mu say na enye Bly be call lockdown say anase lockdown by be go anase on breaky football say not the better 10 position you say you bounce back e by the team number one thing more matches ama anytime say league by we 8th position already or that you know also who say anase o the nkranhye bia hye team mu a anase players wa ka sem bia gu mu tiri mu a mu gina park nso mo asema coach anase ye momoden ye ma ya nkase ye team say the be ya team pon a ya nkasa
ba wo say o hwe team a Chelsea no mu share ya o hwe team a Arsenal so mu say Chelsea de ni mu odi go tell share Leicester Liverpool now Arsenal so team a share na mu odi Man City ya so say Chelsea no mu di ka abo akesifo na nzu say ni quality na abo ma Chelsea aya na
yeah into hwe Arsenal FA Cup yo mbo ya anase Premier League yo ne Liverpool boy omo share Liverpool 2-1
okay
as a match ne ba share say global na Arsenal the house bet me share Liverpool but no be anwen say Arsenal bet me share Liverpool but o hwe performance any I can't say player say almost ball fi but match ni be we na Arsenal win 2-1 but who because na ball be na I can't say Liverpool boy and Arsenal for boy want me win Liverpool 2-1 but performance o here strikers no Lacazette Aubameyang ne Nicolas Pepe mo no mo ye adwuma no anim ho o sabe hwe Man City on by performance no mo de no David Luiz will defend it. It's you know performance in the more performance but eto da bia na atiko eto da bi nso na aba enti FA Cup yo ma be hie enye mo wan say bi mo ba be hie because omo nyina about big matches and so na mo ba be hie o hwe Chelsea say
mala Chelsea de mo de say
Arsenal Chelsea we share Man U say ya 3-1 o pe o baka so fala but name more din o yere no ho e de fala say we need 3-1 o hwe Arsenal say o share Man City name more din de mo hwe big team to say Man City mo ti ma share 2-0 why you don't want to 2-0 aba be share I can say Chelsea e wo fana enye easy
nti one win and
oh me dey win in there metimi akase o hwe two coaches na so hwe team na Chelsea e wo performance ahead of Arsenal but over FA Cup himself na Arsenal ni bo Europe obi ani say Arsenal ni bo FA Cup dey on Boston Chelsea nti na wo upper hand and as well winning trophy more trophy 13 trophy to say the menu akai esine team bia wo Europe nti FA Cup dey say come on Emirates nso dey oni say Arsenal dey
come
Wembley yeah sorry Wembley dey oni say Arsenal dey bit me dey I win and as Arsenal the former and as the fourth year to me the three ball or no ntino Wembley dey obi ani say Arsenal dey bit me win but we know the performance komwa Chelsea and as a coach obey na the selection year and obey me afa trophy and as obey carry the day
nti won timi predict
bet me predict
nti one
prediction is coach ya obey me aye na selection year and as obey born 30th year and obey me carry the day and as obey win trophy e dey man team because coaches no mu nyina aye first trophy and as first coaches on my business team to be able say what say yes or your boss and I say okay. My prediction is Chelsea will go ahead or win against Arsenal by 2-1. Said the Miriam guy.
Okay, Samson I say Chelsea be win 2-1. Philip say Chelsea be win 2-1. But omuna so similarities be say when the last two FA Cup finals at Arsenal and Chelsea aboni na mo Chelsea 2002 mo Chelsea 2017 mo Chelsea and Chelsea for say omuni Leicester shebia so no me Leicester future of beji it na me admen dey enya go yemfa stories ni by Real Madrid transfers ni mu so edema na ya be free na say dey fie ehuru party me chance amane nsem na stories ni ma uko so player first Fabregas ono na me share me nsem na say free about the home of foreign sports ya dey nsem na airblemo live on Ashtown TV on Facebook Ashtown TV on Facebook obasan so share Ashtown TV on YouTube Ashtown TV on YouTube there goes na obenya bin so ashe touchline sports ya dey airblemo with Samson and Philip as a FA Cup final na me men there so 4:30 beat Arsenal and so any Chelsea and Samson and so any Philip ayo hu ejuma papa no sending history behind that FA Cup na almost so edama me wrestling no na me share some edi no akotem and so we could focus me share say and so the first Fabregas no we fi say we see akan so the Manchester be ko lipo so see akan and so the man Arsenal be ko patch Fabregas endra on the Ashtown TV no say na me game and that Arsenal and so any Chelsea ebono who dey on support say on support Arsenal and that's on support Chelsea din so see akan and so the Arsenal ebon who dey say captain and so the Arsenal be ko so no ba Chelsea so it me bo Chelsea ma Chelsea so and so it me the Premier League no and na Manchester Fabregas and so the bet so mutima the patch me admen dey no on support Arsenal and so support Chelsea but no konya ni dey the bet ka ajachi Ashtown TV say on support Arsenal or say Arsenal pa no bo ye pa and so the Arsenal na obi any Fabregas as Wenger and be for no Fabregas and so the free Barcelona Fabregas so be a top player in terms of management the game Arsenal and so any Chelsea ebono FA Cup final because Wembley no on no Fabregas na name koni dey just supporters no e be mo ye papa by Fabregas we da betuga say on support Arsenal team no and so some Fabregas and so about to the betuga be patch be dey so ben so Timo Werner and so striking purchase see akan and so the Chelsea be ko no more say Chelsea at 54 million pounds and so if RB Leipzig the patch of this season oba be dey animo on so any Hakim Ziyech and so any Timo player for say Pulisic and so Jenny no more 20 na and so the Manchester Boboko no Timo Werner ababote e dey bet say na me ko nle adio agro pepper and so NBA or say NBA e adio ni ji ho say Kalaman be footballer akobe NBA star and so say Timo Werner and so ababote dey bet say NBA no Timo support pa and so LA Lakers and no any down screen so the patch obo ni akoma Timo Werner say o with LA Lakers o mo tade a o pijam patch down screen so Ashtown TV on Facebook and Ashtown TV on YouTube but how come in some of the attribute now be be so sha ya dey some na ebema o be Timo Werner say on Kenya football na bobo ya and NBA and no papa na NBA so the Timo pa say LA Lakers the patch me dey some so e dey ebe patch ko Portugal the patch report ebe to say Croatia be a Portugal patch mo adidi papa mo chima ya wuji meres no ya say on man for edim kuma akochie pa ama man for no eya bibi ka twebia on betimi asani player for say ya wuji meres o si aka Edmund Wolverhampton 100 or magically memo say this season was so good the na and so the Wolverhampton 100 bobo kodo the patch ko Portugal patch omo central focus for Portugal e da betu just say on Raul Jimenez no on man for so ye wia e dey ho say so bem old ben so about the home of first person dey jubeje no and so bem old so Tanga in Dembele and so play see aka the Tottenham Hotspur bobo no reporter me say kese on Inter Milan Antonio Conte Inter Milan edin komo pa e makaka klebi na Inter Milan for yasa ni play for Tanga in Dembele am na ba be see aka and so adama Inter Milan bobo no and no ana Daniel Levy let's see you and so Tottenham Hotspur bobo no on the betu just mo fa Milan screen and kan na mo fa no be play for say Tonga in the belly no man say kai and so if my Inter Milan bobo no into Inter for show so mo the Tanga in the belly no and the play for say Milan screen no mo na kwa je Tanga in the belly and so into exchange obi a first cap and so man yoko sa play for say Milan screen so Chelsea for so enya be sign ye papa party show him say di we bet me koso dia Milan screen no Inter for de ko je Tanga in the belly am na kwa ko sia kai and so the moment patch me di so blame old be so ko pem so Tottenham Hotspur so ya bi ma play for so Hosberg Patrocia can sweat mess around to Bobokodo, but you only thought of first Asha say a din come on as one more shame second be so Obefi Elsa Dampton, no Babisia can so at the matter of Boboko, Saka Creamy, no more a agreement, no, I'm a preference of Hosberg, and so Babisia can so at the matter of number space as all my Patrick Sebo, was I say a recruit to any team, no, or shame second be next season, top for the bit room, now Europa League and Patrick some so qualified, was also at Europa League, and so at the matter of number space, now, don't say no, and so Abraham Old Brothers about the home of French Special Dancer, a deleted sinner, so at the Abraham Old Brothers, but you could pay so Premier League now, almost at the better the same, almost this season, Premier League now, course, the part of 52%, almost at my homegrown players in the coin, and Mamu Esia, and so at my clubs, the whole draw, almost 52%, were a highest, and so a Premier League, say homegrown players, almost and now coin Esia, and so my Premier League clubs, and 52%, and the homegrown players, and so now coin Esia, and so at my Premier League teams, almost team of my homegrown players, no coin pa, and Mom Bessia can so a Chelsea, and my homegrown players, 8 as honorable, Nasa Tammy Abraham, Messi Mount Muna, almost Chelsea, and Mamu Quine, Arsenal Donuna, Chelsea, and Mamu Quine, Professor Fikayo Tamori, and Christensen, Billy Graham Muna, Chelsea, and Mamu Quine, and Mamu Bessiaka, and so the Mamu, who combines you saw play with some Messi Greenwood, Brenda Williams, almost a man first 8 Mamu Quine, Arsenal, so Joseph Willock, and so any Eddie in Kitia, almost Arsenal, and so Mamu Quine, and Mamu Bessiaka, and Mamu, Premier League 24, and I bet to the same this season, 52%, and a homegrown players, and a person, and England, Honano. Teams no and so more Makunya and more Bessia can about Chelsea and so man Crono Quaipa and man Crono Bessia and so much Chelsea and Cramaku 8 and the Chelsea 4 and more Musiaka and so the more patch of the Husano Abraham Old Wednesday home or first for Atasia and the latest and so Abraham Ashtown TV on Facebook and Ashtown TV on YouTube or Quan Party Diacos Studiana about your baby so Asher and so on Aston Villa for so appointing prepare first Johan Lunch I patch member of Sino Digima and so more over how to Bobokono, but Aston Villa for appointing so be a new CEO, and so from Aston Villa Bobokono, Aston Villa member of so Anna John Terry, and so assistant coach, and so at the moment Kaka Krabin, and Kamomi, and so acquire relegation into the patch of Aka League in Jamush himself, prepare first, Johan Lanja, the patch of Dini Atuja, but on those screen so as Facebook and YouTube no, and so the patch of Aston Villa for as appointed some no man be a new CEO, and so from one patch of the DB so Abraham Old, so Granit Xhaka, as a midfielder with C Academy Arsenal or a play patrol Bundia Papa and so but Granit Xhaka and any Edwin Como Ashtown TV and Granit Xhaka Edwin Como and the Como says Papa we see Academy Arsenal now Arsenal a big game and that's Arsenal a big team and so Granit Xhaka a buffy Papa I say Adna Arsenal and a big team Arsenal a one of the biggest team and so we are say Uko England Arsenal a big team or Uko Europe so Arsenal is a big team on the Niji so see Academy Arsenal because you a player now see Academy Arsenal because you eliminate say as the member go to the same Arsenal the main Korean a big team into a Hannah as also a ni jeep baby say o see can so the Arsenal go no and so say na player for Granit Xhaka and so about tria but you dey able to do a so Breno so show so the Pacho Cup League now Premier League penny for no and so at the start we abetuja and Pacho be so Breno I will say a Premier League goalkeepers no the WhatsApp the short a corner so national your boy ya na fa national just your boy ya this a ball and for pro national the patch of the Dika as a keeper Arrizabalaga keeper this season the patch of short a corner so ultimate save 53.5% pay on only a lowest percentage the patch of Premier League keepers no it's me only next keeper the most expensive goalkeeper as we are say 71.6 million pounds who could play so England almost keeper and now lowest percentage and so in terms of Bob saves as or 53.5% as the tossing you as Angus Gunn as on 54.6% as or people run the Academy Aston Villa and so in 62.3% as well and saves the battle team and Jordan Pickford also England number 1 England number 1 or that Everton and so in 62.7% saves and also in 62.7 and the player for Adrian and so that Liverpool also in 63%, and also one in particularly in Pelifero, or more release a start way, and then Pacho Medido, so let's say Kepa Ariza Balagado, listen, the money body out from it to miss 53.5% open in terms of a sales at next or from Papa, that first room, and so Alison Becker was almost 70%, and so on. Barcelona reporter, if you Barca, so you don't player first Ansu Fati, yes, Barca for a show himself, and Mary and contract until 2023, and so at the money piano, we did just 17 years per, and yet since the Nasu Air Shane himself, but Mass and Professor Ansu Fati, or just 17 years per, and the Barca for that you just say, players say, Mamma new contractor, why should not team be a discount? I that's our Professor Ansu Fati, no Bible second, and so that moment, Barca for Shane himself can be so, and then you first person the gamer, or when I am Napoli, and so about the player first Ansu Fati, or when the Nasi, now Mamma, a new contract extension, no Bible second, so at the Barca 2023, but Bachambe Hoseno, and so a Bemo age, but so as our Dortmund, the Bachamo, Penny first. I'm opening answer about the two say yeah player first JD Sancho oni baby ako obesina catch Dortmund fans say JD Sancho munya but they still player no say man you am for am scale am pay 110 million pounds na ba and now they am JD Sancho am na be see attention man United baby ko no and so na Dortmund for president the first than Ezok and so about here but JD be so blame old baby so that but just say fans no omun enya but player first JD Sancho oni baby ako say man you for after 110 million pounds and bar or more the decision and now the major player I'm not going to see a country at the Manchester United the watch on the Dimo so Bemo as old but you could place a PSG but you pay for some Marco Verratti about the just say I'm a PSG game on Atlanta I'm engine who cry Atlanta the team there I'm a team there I'm Juventus but Juventus press no I'm engine who Juventus press no at the Atlanta I'm Ashe goes by talents run or see Atlanta for some Ashe goes and the PSG for so ekombia so period for the Atlanta for asema momo and na me aduma Champions League game e boss next week between Atlanta and so any period the nation him say Atlanta for no share go so say period for anya careful ekombia so o me shoko period bobo ko and then am make for the first Marco Verratti about ti da double say Atlanta for o mo place for come on Atlanta ho ekombia so me share him say be Atlanta for the film na o mo period for no o ma ko ni ma o ma ko je UEFA Champions League game but Marco Verratti and so about the me to dem patch me so Bremo so Juventus so but you compare so Juventus so omo alante your home kit no and 2020-2021 season no the patch any the screen so we say Professor Cristiano Ronaldo the way say she just now the patch Fata Ronaldo ye papa and no screen so Ashtown TV on Facebook and Ashtown TV on YouTube but you call Juventus for omo new kit and patch 2020 and 2021 season no the patch na show Ronaldo patch or the airline ho a ya dey be so album to the screen so and no Juventus for omo new home new kits no and no na me next week Juventus for so be share so ma e di be so album Juventus dey go so and then something else album na be the first area science so e dey my who go play so AC Milan reporter Ebetima play for says Zlatan Ibrahimovic and so any Donnarumma red goalkeeper no report Ebetima Juventus AC na for training so no mbekasa no mo aka extend omo contract no and so e dey na AC na be ko no but to play for says Zlatan Ibrahimovic no omo man 1 year contract and so omo oba no no modibo esa so ni and so dem AC Milan no the batch no modibo na so ni pa into AC Milan for penny for no e Paulo Maldini and so any Boban omo HM say combia so ni players bet na say Ibrahimovic any Donnarumma na mo extend omo contract no and so e dem AC Milan e dey who say no and so Ebem old boys at the home of France pass dey who say no and so Ebem old but Andre Pello dem we fi Andre Pello no we see kan e dem AC Milan we see kan e dem Inter we see kan e dem Juventus bobo ko no Italian former player so Mbappe reporter but me say Juventus under 23 no omo dey team no as Adama Professor Andre Pello former player no so on Saturday as Juventus under 23 no so the number so niam be big team be so coach say the Chelsea and my Frank Lampard junior team no so make coach baby country for no Zidane coach Madrid Castilla Pep Guardiola so coach Barca and Kwakama and omo ba top players no into Juventus for so Adama under 23 no omo dey papa first Andre Pello so on no make coach under 23 no na show him say could be so bibia be so ya be so and so the man ya dey be so old be so Kylian Mbappe no team and so a striker and the PSG bobo ko no Thomas Tuchel and so ababonte be betu say mo na botre player first Kylian Mbappe no game ma mo Atlanta ebo no player ni betimi abesia kai enso de PSG bebo ko no enti France a mo support PSG e ko wa France a mo support PSG e France no mo na botre player first Kylian Mbappe no e ko bias game first Atlanta no player ni betimi ai fit na ba besia kai enso e de PSG bebo ko no enso e di be so e just Kai Hens Rummenigge enso e penipa e de Bayern Munich bebo ko no about say be say Thiago Alcantara ne kan bia so obefi Bayern Munich bebo ko no enti Kai Hens Rummenigge enso be confirm e de Aston TV say player first Thiago Alcantara and Patrick Liverpool for airport no na me adima ye best season ni wia Alcantara e ne player e fama Bayern Munich bebo ko no ensem no doso ukopom so Totti report e be say Totti so uko Italy en krankra yo Italy no Totti s sa mo ameji wo mo ensem no doso by Munich ye fese na Samson as on the full ba me sha sen for transfers no so the medical and the children in Dembele no Inter Milan for any player ni ye mo Milan screen ya na mo de akwaje professor Ndombele transfer de bina enso ene course so e bia wo ideas bi 1 or 2 picks bi on ma transfer no betimi ahwe you and ma Samson so
Alonso me das once again we did the other flow betimi afle me Filippo now the person me share about the transfer no ye Jordan Sancho the na o money man you for kan Jordan Sancho a player when he ball pa it's na no ni ball no ayedin abra man you for person koto no but one person on bette a bonus and also person to the price in the money demand because ne board you know signing ball like
or deserve ask 110 million deserve
oh ne ball na tin na man you for person omo teso no because when deserve one big player be I like to say Cristiano Ronaldo and I say Lionel Messi mo any akoton sa 100 you know also omo teso say that be a man you for betimi at man you for here player and say oba bo mo na say wa be share team no mo say the be ya bibia be ebe cause but amount no na say that amount no mo delay no ne bo dene man you for no entina omo kwa muntimi nko na say omo kwa no so aka say omo amount no mo de ba na 60 you know mo de ba de mo so muntimi
this Scabin panel player no deserve wa share Scabin because this is why I do or 17 goals 17 assists at my Dortmund so share Central age is on the side just 20 years or 21 years it just share 110 and you know na o share play send no deserve a man for entry fan koto player no
we young player say the work na a be share man you team no be bache be bo mo so but amount no mo dele na was omote so e bia 70 and as 80 be onimbo body assist ne goals awa sheshe ndie onimbo be 80 and as 90 de e was say omote so no mo de omo de man you for say be omo so be nya omo ni be ji pass omo sa be kan player na be share mfimfi because man you for omo mfimfi no manim ho no nya Bruno Fernandes we yin free wa Fred mo wa omo ma kan na Pogba this season and last season league ba na we na mo de monster dan so ani sa okọ gina bo nkro twa no ho sa wonya bo ni bi mo but se nyame adom na se wonya Jordan Sancho no be kan Martial Rashford mo ne Bruno Fernandes mo a o team ni mo a encouragement and I say next season omo share big team bia na omo nsuro omo sa o keeper was higher strong DJ bo bia bo betimi save omo keeper ne di so omo keeper ne di so munya Jordan Sancho ba e be kat team no ho a encouragement na say omo share next season team bi o me share no bia no omo nsuro because omo keeper is strong last season omo ye mistake and I say keeper ne ye mistake bi na goals bi to na trend but obe reading mistakes and also be hwe mistake obe review ni because boy and I say preview matches aware what the car goes awada dan nyina na hwe ni mistake why said be a next season ye be simu no onto to agrobia antino 70 and I say 80 there e komote so man for na no makofa Jordan Sancho etima ba be shetim said be a next season no metimi ai dey I ana me say hwe ba ko bi so wa Chelsea about harvest sa player all Bayer Leverkusen Chelsea for any dinner chi on person mo kofa ni oni bobo we good oni go share like I said here Timo Werner Hakim Ziyech so we Hakim Ziyech here Ayas when utimi ball make last season against Real Madrid Real Madrid call mo ball draw on back here to Madrid crew be share mo 4-1 Hakim Ziyech we she goals or assist Mikai oba Chelsea e be ball 4-4 obo free kick no share just say baby ball be could be o ka woni ball Timo Werner hwe na Leipzig when go share with be assist or yeah the my press no more the more share enti Havertz have catch Chelsea and as Havertz be can say two players at Chelsea dey can sign ya between the Chelsea team no be kra be hwe Chelsea team no be crab be nkofo bebre be dey e ba be hwe team na say Chelsea e bom match na say wo Kim Ziyech wo Timo Werner na say mu wom na say bibia e koso ma wa be say woni bechi enti me Chelsea for na say Liverpool for say ana Harvest na ngasa ono di kan ka say Chelsea any dream say obebo ni dream ni say obebo Chelsea e dey say the story ne ba na ka say ko anya wa mobile krapa nko be hockey ana say bibisa enti ni dream ni say obebo Chelsea ana me kan ni stories bi so a
Timo Werner na
Harvest the dream is about Chelsea and I say about Chelsea number 10 say Jesse no dey Chelsea it means to say William so episode free Chelsea and I say episode ko it is be a 10 that one man and be cheaper say about fa 10 e dey ahye
no nua bi me first Philip and I would think my men keke message bi nua first captain captain no say fantastic sports crew keep it up Alonso captain from Aswasi me checha Aswasi phone na Atarians group na mo Togo ba no ma me checha na mboti me message na ba ba e ba captain checha to na be jawo bia monitor show no bibia koso bia ya de show ba Samson ma me bra ho no me
ma me kanje Chelsea fans say omunzu lower expectation kakra yanko ya chikra mpo no from 2002 eba no Chelsea's atototo players bia na prospect no any dey no maye no football mu no na expectation na Chelsea fans e wo no ombo e mo antimi anye dey and live out to that expectation Shevchenko hopefully e can say AC aba no waje Ballon d'Or but obaye no poor performance and obetimi ye dey e dey ma Chelsea Fernando Torres no sa onu krampo de na de sa ye ni say na league ni ma no wo na adaptation bia ni wo we dey okwa akope Liverpool na on a face of Liverpool goes on no de ma but oba Chelsea no wanye dey wa hu so last you can say last 2 seasons player at Chelsea Morata and so ba from Madrid academy from Atletico Madrid academy e Madrid didn't come Juventus ema na performance anu border na do Juventus no Madrid side e go for ma de because na on head nya praying time but na ni modern time ketwa bi obenya bia no na ni modern e de e kosoro Chelsea for go for Morata onu nso baaye no wantimi anye de am perform enti no omu say players bi ti say Timo Werner o hwe ni prospect na good Hakim Ziyech o hwe de watimi aye ewo can say Dutch league ni ma obeka say league no form but o hwe Champions League de otimi de o ye against Real Madrid against Chelsea modimo a Ziyech boy na onu nso beka say ni prospect ni de ewo soro Kai Havertz afi no aba afi na ye de ni talent ni de APA e say ball no ye de e woni mu onim ball body but Chelsea for nso entusu enye de emma high expectation say omunya sa ankra e mu ni na o ma ye de o ma wie because ehu players be prepare o ma ye de o ma ba o ma ntimi ade amo league ni de EPL no nti say German league nti say Spanish La Liga nti say Italian Serie A the space you can say the speed any ahomodeni ani ade e wo sa league ni munye bi na wo Germany e wo mu say wo hwe prep ti say Timo Werner ne asset no e speed eno nso na ye can say e kwan EPL ne de ye fa so bone de but omunya nto bata je kra anye de e ma sa players no e wo mu so omu ya de omu bone omu bone wo say omu ya de because wo hwe this season cramp no go so a Timo Werner ade amaye na enye numbers ketwa so the back Chelsea omu goes telling no wetima dey epushi omu ye but because of say omu free league from aba league from ofi team fufro aba team fufro na team na say bem no say Chelsea a ye hu say place bebria omo de money wosoro pa na ba omo ba be fro poni ntino e wo so omu nyanto base kakra de ma press no anye sa na omu ba na obo 1-2 matches bi na say anko ya pressure na ebe ball so no ntino ebe ma omu development ana say omu enyema na person omu ye no omu ntimi de enye enti omu nya ntoba se kakra nye de ema omu so omu nya ka Havertz ebe ka team no ho a fantastic enim honum ni mfimfini honum ni na ebe de ebe fe pa ye na ve aka de defense no ene you can say goalkeeping and problem.
So more many core defense no more. I say midfielders.
What the stars be to just say keepers ya save percentage from pa. Na Chelsea faithfuls no fans no bebree say kepa anya dey enya ade. But e bi mo nso say defense no nya dey enya ade nti na ma no yesa. Radio you team bi won ma o dey memfa case study. Chelsea Champions League final 2012 against Bayern Munich. Na Chelsea o lose o key players, especially defense. They know where chiro ma o control John Terry. No na the face of Chelsea defense. Ona na we chiro ma bibia gina no so o control bibia no. In the final no anya dey, wanya kwan anya dey ensi akan. But because of say no goalkeeper oye get improving. Okay. Goalkeeper ni modern one was rundino in the shape of Peter Cech in intino. Omutimi ro. Okay, o here's match now. And yes, be na Chelsea defense na yard e wo say in that match the organize ye no modern money day e was ro. Obehwe David Luiz ni guy kill. Boss ball no modern money e was ro there. But saves is do Peter Cech no. And etimi bua ma Chelsea etimi e dey edges are caps no. Say nyesa sa saves na Peter Cech here na. Enke bia Chelsea ntimi nyi sa caps no. Because now a mono and a defense in the ball was ready, but saves be a coco my shortest any boy be a coco Peter Cech is so crampon a day, 8 me boy. If you crampon proud to the fans, semi fan against Barcelona. Oh, ball at Barcelona for boy, and it said almost timidly see Chelsea for so now, and easy. It take the help of a Peter Cech, and man save. Balls near the Eddie Manchester in a Timmy Boy Manchester, a Timmy copy more fana, and some of Mutimare, Ababeche Capson. Ain't no defense, dear, Uber good defense, but it be an keeper in your day, and yet Uber good goalkeeper, not defense in you, but because of Seki Pania Papa Nintino, obey my day, I say we save this balls be a my own considers a cancer number of the goals to be. Ain't no Chelsea, keep goalkeeping problem and a day or defense in it. Kezuma this season in modern money kakra e wo mu se enye se ne Chelsea de wo standard de but modern money a wo show kakra no krampo no etimi ma enkranche kakra bia de eba enti no se that defense way unya ya no black etuma enye te se this season especially goals bia kepa consider ye na se ya no black enedem se Andrew Onana enedem se testage enedem say Alisson Becker na dema sa goals no monye dey on consider sa goals no nti say Chelsea cramp no omo ntimi nya sika enkoto defense and to say na on person omo hyehye omo team no omo nya sika nto defense cramp na at least e was say you can say where class goalkeeper dey say we dey munya e man better pony man because unya goalkeeper man better man goalkeeper na cramp no betimi hyehye defense no obetimi organize on the defense no we nyina ha ama na dey etimi aboa ama bobu o cramp na e man so sa because keep on to organize defense ni organization mwa and now even who goalkeeper be say Jano Black ya saves ya oye any organization any anticipation no etimi boa Atletico Madrid bobopo no e wo musa Atletico Madrid do be ka so defenders no ya na 10 bia no modimo no wo soro pan ye bad but goalkeeper no so modimo no etimi push ye the team no nti Chelsea dey problem na pa kasa pa no ye goalkeeping problem ti so munya goalkeeper pa ni modimo wo soro na say if you cramp no o manya midfielder e can say defender the quality in was cramp na at least onka omo akunya say ablante friend no Nathan Aki Chelsea they were the first option so bit my day atono nti say unya goalkeeper ni modimo no was cramp na because of sika 70 no untimi nti sika kese enkoto defender you go in for Nathan Aki ono so this is modimo all boy e was 3 year enti mbo na ama Pep Guardiola e go in for Nathan Ake no ti se unya sa goalkeeper ni mbodi wo bosro na se unya sika nkoto defender cramp na obetima akwa for Nathan Ake no ba be pair with either Zuma or Rudiger eno no betimi aboa because se wo hwe Chelsea o mu transfers na o mo ye na e be din se o betimi anya sika akwa koto ya no black asa anya sika pa de asa koto top e kan say quality defender e de aba team nim
because already what me akwa for Hakim Ziyech aba Timo Werner aba ka Havertz nso so no ne ye kan say ni sika ne price ne de e wo soro nti untimi nkoto sa player we say ema and as Chelsea this they can say this transfer window no out to am be no enye sika e do so sa because omo press no person omo ton no omo mode monye dey enso ani ti senka one thing say ne my Tottenham 4% Inter Milan Enfa Milan screener emeji you can say Tonga Ndombele no Inter for show interest or either Alonso or Messi. You can negotiate with Inter say any sadia yeah the kakrabe count because of say Alonso and say Messi no omo modern bona en course enso any nti no and e this kakrabe count then mundi say sika no ni player no na momfa you can say Milan screener there MIA say unya Milan screener e the ba team a solid defenders na e solid na unya even because of say sika 70 no o de kofa Andrew Onana bla ni sika na ye de e wo fom it is o kofa unya Milan screener e be count defense no na o kofa Andrew Onana bla e o mo say ni quality ni head and news the battle proving him e wo Dutch league dim I say proving him in Champions League even last 2 seasons they went to finals a semi-final rather intenye Tottenham ne be yo movement ngo mo ko fana inti say keeper we say unya say keeper we say na unya defender bia ne modern boss right no beboa say anan say unya nzo so no ya ene yesa dia ko fa de kan say goalkeeper ne modern boss ro pa say ko fa goalkeeper ne modern boss ro pa obetima organize defense ni ye ama entima dey aboa wonya best of a defense na we dey okay quick one or Central so deal no to Manchester United
kakrebi
United for person omofa Central no ban be the face of Manchester United buboku no because o he e modern mo Central e dey ma obetima ba be the face of English e can say football enti say unya wo sa akra bi say wo ho no na say obo Dortmund a e wo say ne price in there e wo soro there 120 Corona season my way there e be jinse team bi be there e be isika no e dey akwakoto but United will scar e was home here they omo going for Central this season ono Messi and De Bruyne enko no mutimi nya e can say double figure e wo assist and goals it is a unya sa akra we say e be kan Antonio Martial Marcus Rashford one e be big signing e be mema otin mu kran boy dey aya akono e wo mu say Mason Greenwood e multiple wo soro there but say o compare Mason Greenwood
Oboro Swana Sancho Bruce Greenwood so
Sancho e bru Mason Greenwood kakra but one thing is say Mason Greenwood no we proving him e wo you can say EPL nim Sancho na wo EPL no want me amo e na akọ ye e na e be din pan so say obenya English boy a wo free England no akọ different you can say league mo dey akọ performing Beckham ye nim the situation abeda Beckham ye dey ekọ Liverpool mo legend here Owen Santa no we are tell Liverpool dey age Ballon d'Or but ko Madrid no want man dey amo enti no England for na so mo free England akọ baby for Friday akọ popo pa boni ye no e ya na etin enti se wonya English boy no what me free England akọ you can say German akọ proving ho a se Manchester United unya sa akọ we se be show team a e ma team no mo dey e kosoro pa ye
okay you say ye befi message back we so ba ye no first tal Drake also super fantastic sports shoe Drake dashi say new ya so ope dan o say bia oti santase oti e bia tafu ho no bebi na ope dan a oba o dey like ope dan ma ni nua ba bi ama ni nua ba no so aba betira no the number no that was 0547 341365 ope bi say santase patase areas ho no ni say o dan bi ho no ma o share life a patase ni area ni santase areas ho na obe free 0547 341365 0547 341365 ye be fi never be share local stories na ye dey ebrem no me we say Touchline Sports so e wo Ashtown TV on Facebook and YouTube so bo ye e wo Ashtown TV ye me fi en fi sem na wa na be we mama ye chance free Inter Airlines e go pem so Inter Airlines a omo defend first Frank Asinki so report e be chima go pem so Danish Denmark team bi won your friend say HB Conj Frank Asingi akosa ne contract so e dia mom free Thailand na we say ni dey first ni dey wo kotokone hasa na otimi nya kwan etukwan kwa brochi by say we in Thailand wo Division 1 kwana mo bo so ni kwana betime anya contract abochire ntie ni afense Frank Asingi report ebechema wana contract enso o Danish club afense HB Conch a okwakosi aka enso honom player afense Clifford Boaje Samuel Amunu na under 20 or Ghana no ni boy papa report ebechema say teams 4 and a pen assign no enso e Spanish clubs nim but one first team ni dina ma metuga e team 4 and a player afense Clifford Boaje enso honom no Bernard Tekpete and so report ebechima wa join Bulgarian side the first Ludogorets sa team so muta bought Champions League pa mo e Belgium Bernard Tekpete and so akosane contract and so edamo Shafi Mumuni and so na Asante Kotoko dey no Samson Bewrim edamo almost as go see you FS Yimane Frimpong edamo to just say Shafi Mumuni no on come plans on next season next Africa omo kono Shafi Mumuni enka it show to Shafi Mumuni Asante Kotoko dey no Samson Ebewrim ya mama na CEO FS Yimane Frimpong our CEO de ma as good no abe confirm that say Shafi Mumuni NC aka from as group bim so be Kotoko so be ko media ma so be ko asedi enso number Latif Blessing no si aka enso Ghana Premier League na mo be so ni pa o da beto just say secret akono and friend of Blaster because this season goals are all share enso Europe no nya grokra it Latif Blessing as a coach of secret akono enso enso no sign and friend no ma Messi aka enso Blasters Wilfred Oseko Palmer say so be rim and also memory said that send ko buy Ekopino CAS Court of Arbitration for Sports CAS sanka omundi asenma na say okopo president GFA muyi di film say sika sembi to muyi di film a ko so abane market to click no o da Ekopino CAS say ka yesan tu abane foforo and then na GFA fo penifo no so appointing akamo management amra baye GFA keto click ni executive council no the offer Emma so konjin tuno me adwuma e GFA and then we Fred Oseko Kupama I reject this offer no intention to be say sa offer no I reject no still o push say cast and one nanka amon two election before na election ko tukwa na e nsusu so be na be Ghana football e be say so ma Ghana football no kwasa akochire afuna league so no nyama na and so e honum ti something be rem so my local stories no o ba 1 or 2 pick be no rem na Philip so do back bi so ato aso da mai
Minister from Palma ne GF in sense
answer ba men can say and the Jumedi na ela e dey marry no Muslims for no e happy Eid Mubarak into any motion for that motion live on Facebook Ashtown TV on Facebook and na YouTube so Ashtown TV no ye we shimu na happy Mubarak e shey me say na me aduma bibia be ko see kaba de mama empa ba mo bo de mu ye bia no and the show na dedicate show and so e dey mama sam say to as money
Palma ni GF in sense no last year ena Mr. Efreno Kufiamwa ona na da normalization committee no ano ena almost yes say omo de omo ba beto omo pese omo be yi because near our point omo say omo normalize e football ne nyede emaye ntino na omo mla so say ezo omo yede omo ko ntino e wo say omo yede omo to aba no mu yi obi oba be di e football na yede anim ntino omo bie forms e wa opese wo opepa no anasa oji hundi se obetimi abedi e football na anim a be fa forms ni bi ne duru hono ma ya yede ya converting ni atoaba ti se ye fa se ye to aba na yede e ma wa na ba be di e football na anim nti on the process of vetting no ena Kofi Amuam ni ene ni mpanimfo ese Palma nyede en qualify
okay
say obedi GFA president because of say the team aye Temayut omo transfer player bia sika was omo de ma GFA no manya dey amfa ama GFA enu de ye dey eda hono enti ya to aba na ye dey awie am ye yiwu Mr. Ket Okreku say ona ye say no oye GFA president enti Palma nso so no hu ni hu say onye boni bia because of say eye Temayut ena anya dey entwa sika no enye ono no Palma individual ano nya dey e DGF ka ena o metu aye ena evi krambo no nimla bia mu se Saudi FN ka se team bi di FN ka team no hu nipa eni kwan se obegina position bi ye dey e wo FN
team no di FN ka
aha enimla bia mu se team bi di FA ka eni kwan se team ni hu nipa e bi ye dey ebegina position e wo FN se we ko Europe a ma Tottenham
you can say Juventus omo panyi baako or you can say UEFA ono krodika teams ni bebre de cow but in society teams na nkasa omo panimfo ni bi any teams na nipa ni bi nya yi omo na ye de ba be form e can say association enti no we say na Palmer hu say menya boni bia because e tema youth na de edeka enyo no na edeka ti say tema youth de car enu no nsimi ho kwan say me ye de me enu kwan say enu no nsimi ho kwan say me be gina as GFA president enti no ekoso ama ye to aba ni we ama ye yi Mr. Keto ye de okreku enti Palmer so de case ni ye de ekọ cars se cars for nye de enka bi ma no even this month ya on the 17th and ananka judgment near the eba and a cars for the etchaba this month F4 I think a brother ya and a vertis near the eba ain't no edena UGF crampono uni ni pay e wasem oni Palmer e wasem a e wo cars ya ye twen se vertis be dey ebeba nanso utimi usa kwa appoint ni pa no say o man position one thing is I kill crampo one say position now is ademano sikasem say on members on babe that ad hoc committee on be say GA can say GF one no obi won na say okọ ni tam so a e drash e de be ma no omo na meta sa committee na no eti hwade o ni pay ye di sika tam sa na ye de ball no say enu ntine ma ni nyina o but also say o man sa mehwe
nese omo o so na sha na say dey
I don't know so what you say any pay crambo dey say you run say eni pa no sa na ugina court if ye twen say verdict be dey ebeba enti no e dey na wo penti a wo man ye dey odi sa position ye dey ene ma no one thing is I can say the position who say who institution bim now person who appoint obi e man beti juma e wo say oni nipa na de etnase o ka che nipa na ansa ti say nipa ne gituma before ansa na oba abonte aba be ya announcement but in this case no Palmer say wono asem na mo be kan ye no wa anya antum but mo ba abonte aba be ya announcement say mama Palmer adwuma enti no we say no ase de GFA no pese omoye bibina ye digu Palmer ani ma se Palmer no pese obeye adwuma de e de ama Ghana ana se Palmer so na pese oye bibima amanfo se GFA no so enye credible GFA no so mo ne ma omo ye no etosi ni obabi because of say omo ba be kasa omo be fam adwuma no ma nka nkire me GFA for no so de aba betu ya se omo ka che Palmer e ma Palmer ni jitum se ane na akwa ya asem oditum se ane na if you grandpa no motive be na eteche dia wo kache ne se on me fa sa adwuma we because of say nipa no ye di ntansa abone say onye credible say obey GFA president if is a onye credible say obey GFA president look an say obey o te say oba committee bia e wo GFA so GFA position bia ni kwa say e ma obi because of say onye credible say obey di anim as FA president any pen so money no an so e court ye twen say verdict beba nti say as obeje position no na say verdict ne pa say wa we ni an ye ngoto aba no fra obe ne dey
na bounce na bonus so be say akoso mo fa position ma na
but one thing is say one thing be say I say Palmer je too mo but na Palmer person or where or consult ni team answer so mo ka so wonya no aye dey waye so mo anka so wonya no aye dey wanye enti no me nim say no me nim the all kind of credit say Palmer na e kind of credit but GF Crampo in the first place eni kwan say ka wo ma Palmer Crampo say in position no eni kwan say wo be ka je ne say enti bia na Mr. Keto Kreku omo wo bibi wo ma obi anim adwin bi telechenche on be so omo de ma obi an say bia omo de gu Palmer ho fi hu say bia say na say e ma EV Crampo obi an say Palmer Crampo no be so obe ya adwuma de ma Ghana afi enti say bia case no say in favor of Palmer e bia case betimi ateni you can say verdict no because I don't know tia on the 17th no ama na matimi atena wa on the 17th or 4th this month 4th nam de beba enti no e bia na bibia de nka say de e wo ho no ti ade no na e say de yehu enti ade na e pese yehu no e wo say Palmer any GFA for no mum na e say kire ya de kro no because of say wo Keto Kreku you know ankasa say ni wo Ivy krome kranti ti amititi ketekroku akọ Ghana mpanimfo ni bi honom e de akoto mu say nka pa manya asem nim because omu nim say eni kwan krambo say nka Mr. Kofi Amia komo ye de Kofi Amia omo ye de omo disqualify Palmer ho kwan say no ko to aban bi nti they know say e bia anhwa na verdict ni mla no na akọ in favor of Palmer saa ne so badia na ese aba na ese ye beto no foforo ye hwe won so ketekroku won so niam a wo ye ni ehun tensem na e bandia anhwa na ebia na woni so adunu a opesa wo ye ne se opesa diga na football anim no anhwa na asa ba ye bibia wo because they say teams ni bebre na abofu se ne ya ye be se ye to aba bi ma anhwa wo nya de wo nya ye no eno nso eno no enti no die fefo no o ma ye hu ade property nti a o mo de sa ye kan say position no e de ma Palmer na Palmer nso me hu ade property nti ono nso reject sa position no because enu ntama sam ye nim de akoso between mo ye nim de die fefo ansa no mo ba bonte abeka say ye ma Palmer adwuma no ye nim de nti a engita ho de amoye da mu di ye mo na mo nim gita ho de amoye da mu di ye Dino se Palmer so no one thing so ni say onso so wo ho no na say o ekuom na say ye ma opposition na so mpa e di nti na so mpe enti eno nso bibi wo ho no now to Shafiu ni Kotoko ni enso so de no eye se Kotoko nya Shafiu a good addition go wo hwe Kotoko o mani mu ho no ma enkoyie last ye can say league ye tranketi ye strikers Kotoko strikers na nye ye enkoyie Soni Yakuba yeja ni kwen goes one goal Niga ye kan say opoku
Prince Opoku Ajimani
anoto so no 2 goals when otimi share enti no say a team like Kotoko now no strikers ya ball almost 40 matches now one young striker for team share 3 goals the highest goal scorer I Kotoko 2 goals Emmanuel Jeffins share 2 goals enti no say okonya player bi ti say Shafiu e wo mo say Shafiu entimi ma goals na we dey open dey but o hwe dey watimi aye e dey ma as gold na anya hwe krampo no senka ono na all this season a anya hwe nkwama be 5 or 6 goals tinga no krampo betimi dey aboa enti no we say nso akwa free transfer say one year as gold ma terminate o mu ni bibia ye biem enti no wo kwa kofa player like Shafiu he's the captain of local blasters. Okay. And you know, at least what why the upgrade we can say was striking ability no.
But na clubs no more Ghana say no try ma play the contract ni so asa.
And no problem club administrators
abroad ka be 2 years ah.
No master team no come. But how no I don't know. Answer one thing say I say ankasa no. Ye can say club administrators no. Omo head need players ni sa. Because me nim baby a obekwa apart from maybe Africa and yes Africa apart from maybe West Africa hanum say kwa to play on be man contract 2 years da omade amawa esua krampo no any 4 years me gram Chelsea ni you can say okwa big teams no any teams no my be so bezo mu develop no any European you can say crabs na who say o yakosan obi for ni ama no 2 years 3 years e just say be a player who fenere ekwa ni mu pa work retirement no and then on your bema sa contract be 2 weeks 2 years na no krambo be 2 years plus 1 till modern money cost run the one na dey aka ho but how no dey we consign player 2 years across right so krambo 3 years tino player no ball obi anso nim say every player bia no sign for fra first year na adaptation afi no dey ba be adapt team nim say mu philosophy tie se won free league nim so no free league for ne buy league nim se no mu se dey esi bono ti se wo ko sign player na wo sign 2 years ya first year no wa unso a ehom na wo be pre won se wo be dey wo be ton no enti no eye move no se Kotoko for fan dia move ni ye dey back tank ye me dia ka Kotoko for going for different player because Shafiu you say what na fe almost 1 year ni o mo ball okay ti no bi o mo ball wo so se wo kwa Africa wo e na Shafiu so nya obi a obetim do oni ato no say season obema 10-15 goals ti say obi a on some mouse a goals no sa atifie ni de o ko pe na esen ka o pe different player bi enka striker cramp no nka menya cramp nka koto onko amono ne because say all the league na ye born na ye kan Sheffield na fie but Kotoko so wo player Osman Ibrahim e wo kan say King Visor otima 8 or 9 goals 14 matches na born on man we on 13 omola 14 and common has be buy a tranquility league no nti say nka wo say player bi wo honom say ya na was akoffa players bi nso aba enye if there because Sheffield need there ni more so need there but say nka ombenya because of African team on person to pressing ombenya ne ko go in for different player because obi on what if na on more ball almost more than 1 year ni there kese nka go in for different player
Jordan there the player of the season
player of the season no wabon homodin ye ba you go better this season Crystal Palace and modern Jordan Dima no even your player of the season ground oje goal of the season
no society
honest on a G or I can say Crystal Palace goal of the season on a modern man and if Grambo say obeha Premier League goal of the season no Grambo no need the end to 2 because if you Grambo say o sha say ensem kakra wo ebe wo because we ono ni de no ni goal na o share no the technique how do you see the share goal no enye technique to a and I always sa tama na saka na ye 1-1
no the chip of Faki so no
and no my ye the demand nti no Jordan this is in the modern one dey akso ani ye hope say obetima dey akto so akoso na e kan say no offer ebe kan say the next you can say George Oponwia
okay
and in the shape of Jordan but yan share the base here ebisiako this is in modern one day akosro ye bomb person obeto aso here I be na African players no especially Ghanaian players no onya excellent season the next season no na fi agba be poor intino ye hope say Jordan season na wonya no ebetimi akosro ene ya na time bia aya na ye ka no onim say afcon na ombebo ye no ene etimi buama etimi buama Crystal Palace omtimi sign no permanent no because na obolon etino ya na ye ka say so omo say omo ba be bobo de ama country no omo yiro omo ho no ya na omo say ye no ene say omo ba be je ye ka say best a player de ma Crystal Palace ti say we no ho a team secretary be betima dey aba say nye team secretary be ground na from a 10th to you can say 7 for 8 teams in be betima dey aba ama unzo na team dey push you ti dey here ni say modern no dey obebo but ni nwane dey say dey onye no fa on hanging boot na say dey koye sa
ye hwe ni nwa de dey nso no
eno ni dey na make
so want me
qualify ti say we say betina into championship say na make no as Ghana for captain pa bo championship Ghana captain pa bo championship we can go say ke friend bi Ghana captain you are playing championship Ghana captain no wo dey bia na wo bo Ghana anum say wo say nya wo na bia ensi wo na so wo bo championship Ghana akofo papa nkanya sa pa Ghana pa captain pa wo championship want me qualify grand bonus am fa ma Premier League proper enti no omo de me dede na me bona ba so ye say wotimi ahire no ho because of say wo hwe de omo kom a omo timi omo ne transit na ne koye na wonya akonya ne ma wo loan to Crystal Palace e be bebo na say nyame atom no wotimi ahire wo ho asi akan say ya e wo say wo hire wo ho na training now say wo ma woni focus e koso na wo ji woni fleece kasika say because omo ba hanu asika but omo ko no dia I don't know nti no onye no ho ball ni de onimbo o hwe ni movement ni techniques any nyema otimi ye na eye pa ye excellence nti no onye no ho senka o team kese ni bia nka we nkanya ngonya hwe but because of say Crystal Palace nti no this season otima top can say go kin or Crystal Palace ni de ye be ka say why there why are there but senka teams na kese ni bia ngonya hwe
yes that Ghana na ye best player of the Zevona.
See, he a best player.
Ghana.
I will go in for Thomas Partey.
Sir, this season
because of say, Obo Premier League, we support Spanish La Liga. Baby, on no crampo si akan Atletico Madrid or Crystal Palace. And you say Jordan, this is what 10 goals. A new 10 goals mpo. But say Jordan go Atletico Madrid their gramba bench rank 1 tenebi.
We are sure.
Jordan wa Atletico Madrid their bench rank 1 tenebi. Ogo go to wine. Ogo to Diego Costa. Ogo to Yao Felix. When I go to no. Tinum say if it's a wo bo Atletico Madrid any former Thomas Partey wo mu kran boy no ntiama Man Union na foni na edi na tini de se wo de compare Jordan and you are our Crystal Palace na onye hwe senti na me make say Jordan sen go wo different teams like say ni bia enko onye hwe no because of so Crystal Palace a middle table team ni ntino ama ni performance so kakra be kan ni ntini de e fa ne say why de why ade but enko different team enko onye hwe.
Okay, I know Samson no for by Michael Fabia 1 or 2 bi na emre ko ne wrap up. Okay,
that's any akonya de mama. Me ka tie for say wo hwa ya wo de na wo share Facebook and YouTube. Wo like na wo share say the be adofun benya bia hwe. Ashtown TV Touchline. Say the be be share ya wo de no. Asum ye wo de na wo share say the be YouTube ni Facebook. No adofun so nya bia hwe say the be bibia be kwa kama. Me ka Crawford Jordan can say you for winning best player of Crystal Palace. O Crystal Palace team na nya team fon bia sa. Team a players gumpa hwe Benteke mu no Zahamo a mo team no na say wa fa ho na say wukom no kwakofa best player wo mu a me de me kam a chen say me bona ba so say wa ya ade wati Ghana players na nim and I say Africa players no wati anim because wako win enya big team bia de but wako win best player e wo Crystal Palace team no a wa ya ade say enye player bia de betimi akọ team bia we no ho moden about the end of the season no near ball near say ya ma position say why are there team we no about home modern near ya ball abaso enye easy sa enti can say me born abaso any anima wate any Ghana my potty say wate Ghana my anim player I born so free because so free Ghana so wate Ghana any Africa anim to me born abaso na o story be say no o my o me di bibia mra bia ba say wo qualify na say wo play team bi na so bo homodin a wo qualify na ko say Africa or it was met me aka say wo my idea about Sadam because we hwe Ghana Premier League teams na Kotoko House Ashgold Brekum Chelsea mo ne Mediama mo player bi wo mkra no bo homodin a me say we team na ntimi anye league no and I say top for one qualifying team no mo twa na bo ne player bi mkra mo no homodin e bi Kotoko qualify, has a qualified player we want one homoden and so no go Africa. But say mlawe no dia ba no. Anyway no ma biem say player bi a bo homoden no. I'll bet me akọ Africa no my idea because be encourage players no. Am mo ball no say or boss bibi wontum say se mantimi amoni ye krampa calf and I say mpenifo be yimi de my day akọ Africa am akọ gina mpenifo ma say akọ gina Ghana and I say akọ te Africa in my day akọ bo am mo nti no. Me dampenifo ase anase me bom aba so mo de sa adu e ase mrewe ya de aba say players no bo homodin o wa mo homodin o ubetimi ada akọ Africa
nti you Ghana best player obeyi why
aba de omo Europe na say Ghana
Europe
Europe de meyi e kan say Thomas Partey de say de menu akan o hwe Thomas Partey a ni mo de mo bon wa Atletico Madrid nye easy mfifi hon mo ye adwuma ana Africa na say Ghana obi ani say Thomas Partey de Atletico Madrid bo match ya de obi akọhwe ne Thomas Partey because obon ho mate mfifi honum we gina pass ball no chese ball no ba Chelsea N'Golo Kante onya Africa ni de bat me den be compare no say be we gina mfifi honum o che pass no we ye adwuma de say N'Golo Kante pepepe eti Arsenal fo di na chi se ka so me do Chelsea fo gram bu di na chi ka so mo pe no e na me modern monti eti wo ho mate na ana team bebre de we ebe me ti kra so say ko se Barcelona fo su di na chi eti wo ho mate na ana team bebre be de ebe di wachi enti be the best player the meyi Thomas Partey any more de mo ne Jordan and you at Ghana and I say Africa for the enim enti me do mu nyina ase and kudos to all the Muslims for Eid Mubarak yami shira mo ne modemo ene Eid Mubarak ya madi nyame nka mo na bibia anya kama ye da mu nyina amase some mo hwe Ashtown TV mo share na mo like say the be ya bibia be de be koboko.
Okay, Yenya Philip ana wote ne nka no ye de dwumaje na besi anyame adma desende ye be sa hia yende ye production team na se Yenya Baje enso ye be dana se Obudi enso ye ba be dana se executive producer Master India on gine kira otutu efidie ne bibia e maye wote Samson ka so wewura manene se nim efie nsem na wewura Yenya Philip e be hye ho enso Edima Thomas a wotu kwa na se wo chane na echi kakra no ebeda Philip so ase a on so di wewura amane ne sem ne efisem a o ma good analysis so ebeda enua Philip so ase me am di dwuma de hotel so we from Alonso da na me adma next week ebe se share the authentic sports papa pano and so e dey abram ti me you fi ni fra ha Touchline Sports or Ashtown TV on Facebook and na YouTube Ashtown TV ko so asha Ashtown TV o sha ubenya nyama pa ubenya bibia papa and so o abram me adma next week ye be sa trans yes the latest na so e dey abram ye be bibia say Facebook for mo share na da mu na ashe mo ko so share na mo like na viewers na so enko so na me adma next week be say share yakra mo. Mo na akwaba e de ba Touchline Sports so e wo Ashtown TV
Mimi ndebia e bon 9 e kopim 10 a
e be kwa amonane e be hwa amonane nsem ahodo so e de bebremo obe fie nso a e be ma wo fie nsem ahodo transfers e koso we e kwa ha we kwa e din na bebremo
Medidi Thomas Clever, always my friend Thomas. Touchline Sports no asubusu no. Touchline Sports papa.
share me ni mabege phone na e wo Ashtown TV e wo Facebook YouTube and Instagram so our Ashtown TV and the sports papa and the air bremu or Jumebi so